Hey y'all, so we're just gonna get right into the video. So I use 58 inch for this length. I split each bundle into 6 pieces and used 2 pieces. I use the end of the braiding hair, the thin part, and I use the crochet needle to crochet them under the rubber band. And then I'll pull and just kind of even it out, just so each sides can be even. Then I take the client's natural hair and split it into 2, and then I use the braiding hair to kind of cover the piece. This to minimize the hair sticking out when you twist. So I take the other side and I make sure I just wrap it in the braiding hair, and then I go in and I twist it. I start twisting before I actually make that first twist around the rubber band. So create a little twist and make sure you're keeping a lot of tension and twisting tight. Just keep your pieces really close together. So when I twist down about 3 times, I go in with the third piece, same size as the first 2 pieces I made, and I twist down. In total, I add about 4 pieces for this size. So I continue to just twist all the way down, straighten out the strands of the hair as I'm twisting. And then this is the 4th piece I add in. Now the 4th piece is the thinner piece, and this just creates a little bit length, and then also just to have the curl at the bottom a little skinnier, because she didn't want the twist the size of her, she didn't want the curl the size of her twist. So then I just go in and I continue to twist all the way down, and as you can see, she wanted rise at the end. So this part is when I just go in, of course keeping a lot of tension. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm getting tongue twisted. Keeping a lot of tension. You pop the little band on, and then you just let it unravel slowly, and then there's your twist.